you're interested in making money by listening to music, there are actually quite a few options to consider. You can create and sell your own music. You can sell advertising on your site. You can promote products and services, including other artists' products, and more. This video will walk you through some of the most popular opportunities available so that you can decide which one fits best with your skills, your knowledge base, and your personality, and then start enjoying the profits that come from making money by listening to music. What is audio content and why can it be monetized? Audio content is defined as any recorded audio files, including but not limited to music, lectures, and speeches. There are two main methods of monetizing audio content: hosting it on your own site and uploading it to a platform like iTunes or Google Play. It can also be monetized through passive earnings such as with advertising or through an affiliate program. The most common way to earn money from audio content is through an affiliate program, where you get paid for sending traffic to another company's website. For example, if you run a website about business management and want to monetize your podcast about marketing, you could sign up for an affiliate program that pays 10% per sale. If someone buys something using one of your links, you would receive 10% of their purchase price in commission. This method is often used in conjunction with hosting or uploading your own content onto platforms like iTunes or Google Play. In order to qualify for commissions, however, it's important that people aren't able to access your content without going through one of these platforms first. For example, by typing in marketing podcast into their browser. If they find it directly on your site, then there is no commission earned because they didn't go through Apple, Google first. How much money can you earn from doing this? How much money you can earn from doing this, it all depends on how much time you're willing to invest and what your specific circumstances are. If you have a full-time job, for example, and an interest in music or any other topic, it's easy enough to dedicate a few hours of your day to searching for opportunities and then tapping into them once or twice per week. The more money you make, obviously, is a function of how many opportunities you find that are profitable and how many hours per week you devote to them. But if you're earning only small amounts at first while spending more time searching than executing, don't be surprised if it takes weeks or months before your revenues add up significantly. The legalities of it all. There are many legal hoops you'll need to jump through before you can start a podcast of your own. For example, you'll likely need permission from anyone whose voice or music will appear on your show. In addition, expect to pay hefty fees for licensing rights. At minimum, you'll want mechanical rights, which allow you to reproduce music in copies, think CDs and digital files, and synchronizing rights, or sync rights, which allow your podcast to be heard along with copyrighted material. These rights aren't free. Permissions can cost thousands of dollars or more, but there are a number of groups that have negotiated group discounts for independent artists like yourself. You may also be able to negotiate directly with artists if their work appears on your show. And don't forget to check out Podbean, an online platform for hosting podcasts. It offers free tools and services for podcasters who want to publish shows quickly and easily. Here's how it works. Sign up with Podbean. Choose your website address. You choose anything between 5 and 50 characters. Create an account with email address and a password of your choice. Click Create New Show button. Click Start Publishing button. Then Publish button. This is your homepage where you can edit all settings for your new show, including uploading photo images, adding video content, etc. Start sharing your podcast with friends and family using any social media channel, or just send them a link to listen via Podbean itself. That's it. Your podcast is live now. Get ready to share your passion with others and make money from doing what you love most, listening to music. Final notes. If you're serious about making money online, work your way up to affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is where you earn a commission off your products that people purchase through links in your content, typically in a sidebar, or on a pop-up when they visit another site. For example, if I was running an e-commerce store that sold camera accessories and wanted more traffic, I might sign up for Amazon Associates and place their affiliate link at the bottom of every post with an image attached. If someone clicks on that link and purchases something within 2 weeks of my writing it, I would earn a commission for referring them. Some companies will even give you a cut just for sending people to their store, even if they don't make a purchase. So it's really not as complicated as it sounds. This can be especially lucrative if you have a popular website or get lots of views from other sites linking back to yours. But again, it takes time and effort. Make sure you read all the fine print before signing up for anything so you know what you're getting into. This list is just one source of ideas. There are hundreds more out there if you want to put in some legwork and look around. Just remember, it won't happen overnight. It took me years to build my business up to its current level, but it has been well worth it because now I can do what I love full-time without worrying about bringing home a paycheck from someone else. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and we will see you in the next one.